Cupcake?
Can I have a cupcake?
No, sweetie, those have gluten or sugar in them.
Aww.
Cupcake.
Can I have a cupcake?
Well, we can make some cupcakes that are gluten-free.
Cool.
Hi, and welcome to our Geek Family Kitchen. And today we're going to be making Five Nights at Freddy's inspired cupcakes. So these are going to be chocolate strawberry cupcakes with pink icing.
Yay.
And they're not going to look like the cupcake because that would take ingredients that are not really all that good for you. But we are going to make some cupcakes that do look like them, just without the eyes.
Okay.
So, for our cupcakes, we're going to need 1/3 of a cup of coconut oil that has been melted.
Some...
Smell it. What's it smell like?
almond? No.
Smell it.
Coconut flour?
Coconut flour. So this 1/2 cup of coconut flour.
Chocolate.
4 eggs.
Some chocolate.
3½ ounces of melted dark chocolate.
Chocolate.
1/2 cup of honey.
Strawberry puree.
This is 1 cup of strawberry puree. I just took some frozen strawberries, heated them, and then mashed them with a fork, and that's all that it is. What's that?
Vanilla extract.
That's right, a full tablespoon of vanilla extract to kind of mask the flavor of the coconut flour. Do you know what that is?
Is whipping cream?
Nope, that's coconut milk.
Cool.
2 tablespoons of coconut milk.
Looks like salt and heavy whipping cream?
Nope.
What is that?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
So, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And then for the icing, you're going to need
Milk.
1/3 of a cup of coconut milk.
Some beet juice.
That's about a tablespoon of beet juice.
This honey. Some honey.
A 1/4 cup of honey.
Cool. I think that's almond oil?
Coconut oil.
Oh, yeah.
6 tablespoons of coconut oil.
And what is this?
That's a 1/4 cup of ghee.
Cool. Ghee. Ghee's cool.
Alright, so let's get started making these cupcakes. Okay, so we have preheated our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Cool.
And we're going to use silicone baking cups. We've got 5, because this will make, you can make probably 5 big ones or 6 smaller ones. It will make up to 10 cupcakes, but you pretty much can't get more than 10 out of this recipe.
Okay. So we got like 1 for today and 1 for tomorrow's dessert?
No, we're going to make the bigger cupcakes.
Oh, so we only have 5.
Alright, so we're going to put our dry ingredients in here first.
This is a dry ingredient. So, dump that in.
Okay.
Oops.
Careful.
This is a dry ingredient. 2. In fact.
That's it. And we're just going to mix this up real good. Okay, and now we're going to add in our wet ingredients. So, in order to save time, we're going to both do this.
Just 400 chocolate.
I don't want to miss any of this chocolate.
Because it's chocolate. No. No. Yeah.
Yeah. The noises.
I'm gonna wash my hands.
Alright, once all your wet ingredients are in, you just want to stir it up again really good. Alright, so our, yeah, honey on those.
Yay!
So our mix is mixed, and we're just going to, you want
put them
something
down?
to, yeah,
I want to do.
you want something to put your
Boom.
cupcakes on. I've just got a big cake pan. And then we are going to put these evenly.
Special?
I'm going to get me a big, look, that half a cup, measuring cup will be good. Oh, you okay?
Yeah. I think I'll be okay. Can I put them in? Really small. Smells good. It's a nice mixture.
It does smell good.
Nice and brown. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Some fell off.
I just want to try to get it pretty even. And don't fill it too full because it will rise a little bit.
Don't fill it too full. Because it'll rise a little bit.
You're silly.
I am.
Like, no.
This one might be a blooper special. A lot of bloopers. Hey, that middle one could be for Liddy. Those two could be for Victor and Dad. And those two could be for me and you.
Yep. That's how I did it. My favorite colors. Got honey on your face.
Yay! I got honey everywhere.
Alright, so these are going to bake in the oven. We're going to start at 20 minutes. We may have to do it a little bit longer because they are a little bit larger than your average cupcake. Alright, so while that's cooking, we're going to make some frosting.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah.
Alright, so now we're going to make the frosting for these delicious cupcakes. So you need a microwave safe, you need a microwave safe bowl. And we're going to put the coconut oil.
Should I use this?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, and the ghee. Don't do that.
I got the ghee.
Okay.
That one is.
You can heat this up in a saucepan on top of the stove, but it's going to be quicker and easier to do this in the microwave. So we're going to start with 30 seconds. We just want it to get melted. We don't want it to boil. So 30 seconds, check it, and then go from there. Maybe about 10 seconds after that until it gets melted, but it's not boiling. Alright, so this has been melted, and while I whisk, Alex is going to add the beet juice. That's going to color it pink.
That's what we want.
And the coconut milk.
Going slowly.
And you want that to be cold coconut milk. Not the coconut milk that's been sitting in your pantry, but some full fat coconut milk that has been sitting in the refrigerator. And the honey.
Last ingredient. And then just gotta wait a little while. Yes, yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, once it is smooth and liquidy, you're going to put it in the refrigerator while your cupcakes continue to cook. So our cupcakes are now cooling, and we have taken the icing out of the refrigerator, and we're just going to kind of break it up a little bit, and we're going to put it in our mixing bowl and mix it, and it should hopefully come out a little bit lighter and fluffier.
Yay, fluffy.
So we've allowed our cupcakes to cool pretty much.
They are
Somebody
brownies
is
and cupcakes.
impatient. Now you want them to be really cool because this icing will melt. It'll melt even without the cupcakes being not entirely cool. It's kind of a icing that you want to keep refrigerated if you're not going to eat it right away. So it's not really something you can take to a party and like leave out, but it is something you can eat if you want to just eat. So we are going to put some of our pink icing on each cupcake. It's probably not going to be real pretty. Like I said, these cupcakes are still a little warm, so this icing is going to melt. The reason that I like using the silicone wrappers is you can eat them out of the silicone wrapper and just get a fork, and it's a lot easier with like a gooey topping or a melty topping. We did some with a caramel topping a while back, and they were perfect to eat in these silicone cups.
It's so good. Top, and I don't care. That is really good. Delicious.
That is good.
We've made a masterpiece. A very delicious piece of goodness.
Oh my goodness, that's good.
There's one thing you can say about the icing melting down into it. But like,
it's like sauce.
Yeah, it's like a really delicious sauce.
So I guess you could choose to have this the traditional way, in which you let them cool off completely and put the icing on, or you could choose to have them as a hot cake with a strawberry sauce tasty in it.
The icing is not strawberry though. The cupcake strawberry.
That's wild.
And what's the icing? Beet juice.
Ghee. Coconut oil. Honey.
I really taste it.
And beet juice.
I really taste
And coconut milk.
the strawberry. That's delicious. You guys made a good cake.
Thank you.
You really did. It's a cake
Okay.
in a cup.
So that is all for our Geek Family Kitchen today. And if you like these cupcakes and you want to try them, hit like on this video because we worked hard to make these as delicious as possible.
Oh yeah.
I wish you could try it. Look how moist that is.
This is really
So
good.
tasty. Look at that. Like this video. If you'd like to see more of our Geek Family Kitchen, then hit subscribe. Make sure you turn on your notifications. Leave a comments down below. Especially, I would love it if you make these and you want to share your experience, how they taste. Leave a comment down below. Tell us how you like them. And don't forget to check out my Patreon and all of my social media links. And we'll see you next time in the Geek Family Kitchen.
Bye.
Bye.